let's recap learnings from today's session, beginning with Shivalika.
Hi, today we attended CA Amit Arora sir's session. It was a very interactive session. We learned that we should come up and we should not shy away and we should be confident. So it was a very nice session. Thank
Thank
you.
you. One learning.
Hello, this is Jatin Jain and I attended MCS course CA Amit Arora's classes. So I learned I had a drastic change in my point of view regarding a chartered accountant and the CA course. Thank you.
One specific learning.
One specific learning, inculcate self-confidence.
Okay. Nupurji.
I learned about the importance of presence of mind in the activity that was done by CA Amit Arora sir. This was the major crux.
One learning.
Hello, my name is Adhar Mutreja and my learning from the session is that to be confident in my ability as a chartered accountant.
Thank you. Siddhant.
Hi, myself Siddhant Bahuguna, and I learned to incorporate maps into my presentations going forward.
Okay.
Hello,
Shruti?
my name is Shruti Jain. I learned how to present that you should feel what you are saying and you should present it nice.
So don't be Alexa.
Yeah, I
right?
won't
More
be an
feeling.
Alexa.
Huh? Yes.
Hi, myself Aneen, and I gained how to provide and how to take feedback.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shivang and today it was a very wonderful session by CA Amit sir, and I learned that we should have knowledge of all other fields apart from the field in which we are pursuing our career.
So example.
Example, like we learn to use the maps while doing any presentation.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Parul and I learned how to stay positive and try to be a good problem solver.
And how to give right statistics.
हाय, मेरा नाम साजिद। सर ने सिखाया है कि हमें सिर्फ रिटर्न या जीएसटी का काम नहीं करना है, बाकी अपनी ज़िंदगी पे भी ध्यान देना। जैसे एग्जांपल दिया उसका इन्वेस्टर जिसकी अभी डेथ हो गई, क्या नाम है?
Okay, like health is the
राकेश
priority.
झुंझुनवाला। हाँ, हेल्थ पे भी ध्यान देना।
Hi, it's Chandan. It's amazing session. Sir is very inspiring, and I learned that how to portray yourself in front of others, and that's it.
Thank you, Chandan.
Hi, this is Ayushman Gupta and I learned that whatever the hurdles comes to you in your life, always tackle it with a confidence and a positive attitude.
So next time you'll raise hand for leadership role.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi, myself Ankit, and I learned from Amit sir that how to present in front of others in a very good manner, and learn more things from the sir.
और मुस्कुराहट का क्या लेना है? मुस्कुराहट. हाँ? मुस्कुराते हुए बोलेंगे.
Hello, I'm Komal Joshi. What I learned today is your health is most important to you.
ठीक है. और जब नौकरी गई आपकी, आपको कोई सेहत पे असर पड़ा जब टाइम मैनेजर की नौकरी
Be
गई?
happy and look for others.
I myself Harish, I learned that how to approach to the next events.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tarun, and today I learned in the session that how you should present precisely and not to stretch a topic too far, and what is the importance of interactive presentation. And I also learned about the business, startups, and finance concepts. So
Yeah, I
that was
thought you made a very good input that for creating wealth, it's humanity and society's welfare that has to be kept at the number one priority. Money for you will be a byproduct. Yes.
Hi, this is Rajrandhani. Today I learned that being more sarcastic and humorous is also important. Also choose calmness over chaos.
Okay. Calmness over chaos.
So the learning which I am taking from here is like listen more, speak wisely, and make best of use of available resources.
Listening is an act of kindness. Nitin?
Yeah, I have learned the leadership skills, and I have also learned that we should take part in the leadership, and so that our growth, our profession growth, our India will grow.
And switch off your scooty on time. Huh?
सर पढ़ाई और पैसे के साथ साथ हमें हेल्थ को भी प्रायोरिटाइज करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारी हेल्थ सही रहेगी तो हम अच्छे से काम कर पाएंगे.
बिल्कुल. सेहत सबसे पहली प्राथमिकता. सियाराम.
myself Siyaram. I learned today कि हमें फीडबैक हमेशा देना चाहिए और चाहिए जैसा भी हो.
जी. और अगर किसी ने सब कुछ काम अपने आप कर लिया लीडर ने, तो ये तो एक सवालिया बात हो गई. हाँ, सवालिया चिन्ह उस पे. जी. प्रिया जी.
Sir, my name is Priya, और I learned today's session कि हमें अपना बेस्ट देना चाहिए हर चीज़.
Okay. Thank you. ऋषभ.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम ऋषभ और सर का सेशन लेके आज बहुत अच्छा लगा। क्लास में घुसते एकदम पॉजिटिविटी थी महसूस हुई। पूरे एमसीएस से मैं कहूँगा सबसे अच्छा लेक्चर किसी का है तो सर का ही है, और मैं पूरे नंबर देना चाहूँगा सर को। और मतलब एक जो क्लास में आते ही सर ने मतलब अपनी बातों को जिस ह्यूमर से रखा, मतलब जो बातें वैसे कही जा सकती थी, बहुत अच्छे सर ने प्रस्तुत किया। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you for your kind words. Kashish?
Hello, my name is Kashish, and don't be a Berojgar CA. Express yourself, how to communicate, and share your feedback and accept feedback too.
Yes, lots of opportunities, embrace them. Yes.
Myself, Archit here. First of all, it was an amazing session, and I learned that how to present yourself and have common sense in every presentation. कारगिल विजय दिवस की डेट मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगा।
Thank you, Archit.
Hi, this is Kundan Kumar, and today's session is very wonderful. And we learn how to apply the presence of mind in this situation, and we learn the present uniquely any
और
topics.
तुम फुल को पहले 10 में से कम देना चाहते थे ना थोड़ा? जी, मैडम फ्रॉम मनसा।
Hi, I am Mandeep Kaur. Today I learned that you should be attentive and in whatever activity you are engaged and just enjoy.
Why did you raise hand for leadership role? You will do it from now?
From next time I will surely.
Yes. Yes.
Hi,
Vishakha ji.
my name is Priya,
Priya,
and
yes.
today I learned that you present your ideas in such a simple way that it clicks your audience.
Thank you.
Hi, myself Sahil. Today I learned how to present ourselves, and health is as important as wealth.
Thank you.
Hi, I am Palak, and from today's session I learned that to be a good communicator I have to be a good listener first, and that using different modes of communication makes a presentation more effective.
Right. So bring humor as well, right? So that people are happy. They don't need antidepressant. Yes.
Hi, my name is Ashish. From today's session, Sir's ability to break down the complex topics into understandable concepts is truly appreciated. So I learned the same from Sir.
Hi, my name is Nishan. Today I learned that to be an effective communicator, we must master listening also.
And be updated. Hasranga has resigned, so he for sure is not going to captain. Okay. Yes.
Hi, myself Vishakha. My today's learning from this session is health should be your priority, and for a good speaker you should be a good listener too.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Gul. It was a very inspiring session with CA Amit sir, and I am very impressed with his speaking skills. And one thing which I learned from him is be well prepared before your important days and important meetings.
Right. And failure is a stepping stone to success. So people may say you failed. That's not the right thing. That is a success story because we've learned something, right? Yes.
This is Robin Shrestha, and आज मैंने सीखा कि ग्रेटिट्यूड दिखाना हर चीज़ के जिन लोगों ने हमें सपोर्ट किया।
Very nice. Yeah. Always say thank you. Wherever you can say thank you, say that. Yes.
हेलो, आई एम रवि, और मैंने आज सीखा कि हमेशा अपनी टीम को साथ में लेकर चले जो भी काम करें।
Thank you.
हाय, दिस इज़ दीपक। ये सीखा कि आज जब हम मॉर्निंग में आए थे तो हमें एक दूसरे का नाम भी नहीं पता था, सो वी वर सो स्टक इन द फॉर्मेलिटी ऑफ कंडक्टिंग दिस। तो सर ने सबसे पहले जो सोशलाइजिंग होता है और एक्चुअल प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड होता है वो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन सर ने दिखाया।
Yes. Knowing each other's name, very critical.
That was really commendable.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lakshay. So my today's learning was that for a session to be a good, you have to interact with the audience and ask questions maybe, and you can add a little bit humor so that.
Thank you. And thank you, Lakshay, for giving feedback on many occasions. Thank you.
Hi everyone, Rahul this side. So from today's main learning is कि जब भी हम present करते कुछ भी तो उसकी backward and forward analysis होनी चाहिए, और management is looking for insights, so insights are very important.
Thank you. And you are very good in income tax. Thank you.
Hello sir, this is Satvir. Today's take away from this class is I learn how to apply 5 steps of communications.
Right. So the sender, receiver, message,
medium,
and feedback.
Yes,
right.
sir.
And special thanks for Satya because every time you went up to switch on the projector. Thank you. Amrit.
हेलो, माय नेम इज़ अमृत। टुडे आई अटेंडेड अमित सर सेशन। तो आज की मेरी 2 लर्निंग है। सबसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंट कि दूसरों को सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और दूसरी चीज़ लाइफ में हमेशा सवाल करते रहने चाहिए।
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes.
हेलो, माई सेल्फ मोहित सैनी, और आज के सेशन से मैंने ये सीखा कि लैंग्वेज आपकी ग्रोथ के लिए कोई बैरियर नहीं है। आप जिस लैंग्वेज में कॉन्फिडेंट है आप उस लैंग्वेज में प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं और हर फील्ड के अंदर एक्सेल कर सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल। अगर आप अच्छा कम्युनिकेटर बनना चाहते हैं, भाषा आड़ी नहीं आती, किसी भी भाषा में प्रयोग करिए, लेकिन स्पष्टता से अपनी बात रखिए।
Hello, my name is Kushagra. It was a very good learning experience to attend Amit sir's class. What I learned today is to be more aware communicator, being more aware about my spatial awareness, and lastly to how to effectively use humor in my conversations and putting across my points better.
So name 5 waterborne diseases.
Hepatitis A, B, C, D, E.
All of them are not. All of them are not.
Okay.
Right? Primarily hepatitis A, then cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, dysentery, and we can fight all of them, right? Not even a single soul gets impacted. Nobody dies because of this. Only awareness can help.
Hello, my name is Mansi Agarwal. Today's session was very inspiring and we learned a lot of things. My learnings from this session is a healthy person is a wealthy person, and for the ultimate growth of nation, ground level problem needs to be solved.
That's right. So I wish you all health, wealth. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.